Okay, so we're going to go and select our colors, and then we're going to import them into Photoshop so that we can just use those colors for our card project. So we're going to go up here and we're going to put in Kuler colors, and it's going to come up and it's color.adobe.com. So if you click on it, now this, don't get totally lost in it, but basically you can kind of choose which one that you want to do. Remember, it's got to be analogous, monochromatic, triad, complementary. I'll even let you guys do split complementary, but I don't want any others. So if I click on triad, it's going to take this and you can move all of these around and it shows you where the triadic colors are. And so you would have, it shows up with 5, but if you only wanted to use 3 and then have white and black, that is fine. You would just go ahead and create the one that has 5. So you're going to go and you're going to go through here and you're going to find the lightness, the darkness of the ones that you want it to be. And once you have created the one that you want, what you need to do is go and make a snip of the colors. So we're going to snip the colors that we selected. We're going to save it. You can just save it to your desktop or you can put it in your Q3 folder, whichever one works for you. I'm just going to put it on my desktop for right now because you won't need it again once you do this. So we're going to close it. Then we're going to go to Photoshop and we're going to do a new, and we can just hit create. We're going to hit open. And if I go to my desktop, I called it colors. So there are my colors. All right. So now what you need to do is, if you go up to window and you have color, color should be open, but if not, it's right here. Okay. If you look right next to it, it should say swatches, but if it doesn't, like I said, you can go to window swatches. All right. So what we're going to do first is we're going to make a new folder and we're going to call it car. And then we're going to hit OK. Okay, so you need to, once you're here, up here is the swatches. So if I'm in car and I create a new swatch, we're going to call it green. It's taking the last one that I did and putting it in there. So what you have to do is, okay, we're going to delete this just so that you can see how you have to do it. All right, so I don't know how I did that, but all right. So we're going to go to our colors and we're going to click on the first one. We're going to go to colors, click on the second one, go to colors, click on the third one, go to colors. We're going to make a white and click on colors and make it a black. So now if I go to cars, I can name it black. I can click on white and click on it and go to white. I can click on the light green and make a new one and call it light green. I can click on the next screen, call it medium green, and then click on the last one and call it, all right, we'll call it yellow. It's not the greatest of color schemes, but it's a color scheme. Please make sure you remember that you did whatever, triad, analogous, whatever, because that will be one of the questions that you will have to answer. So now, whenever you are working in a new document, all you have to do is go to swatches and then color, and then you would just pick these 5 colors. These will be the only colors that you are allowed to use. If you have any problems or questions, let me know. If not, I will talk to you soon. And have fun.